Izu. Izu.
Bravo.
Bravo. I love you. Bye. Say hi. Merci. Horses. Yeah.
The revolution will not be televised. The revolution will be live.
Great things, my fellow words, boy Meckanimal, and today it's finally time for me to introduce my newest born, my second born, and he's about 3.5 months so far. He was born sometime beginning of June, and yes, baby, you guys are 2 now. I'm father of 2 as of now, as of 3.5 months ago, and yeah, it's been a fun journey. Nothing more, nothing less than I expected. Welcoming those 2 gems in my life, and yeah, fatherhood has been a blessing so far. However, it hasn't slowed down my training whatsoever. If any, I give even more of my resolve. I spilled more of my resolve into training since they came back, because sooner or later they will have to take the mantle of the Meckanimal. So I owe it to them to give the best I can while I can. Yeah, baby. You see, he wants to get on the ball. Finally, he's grabbing the ball. I got you, Peanut. Yeah. Okay, I got you. I'm coming. So yeah, baby number 2, say hi. Close resemblance, 2 boys. So there it is. You guys have it. That's what I wanted to share with my fellow warriors out there. It's a handful to deal with, a lot of work, but because they're so close apart, they're like 16 months apart, still both babies. One is 3 months, the other one is 19 months, the oldest. So that is, everything is, and will always be, the Meckanimal way. Peace. Thank you again for the support, the continuous and hardcore support that I have from my fellow warriors out there. Take care. Bye. Show me how you do it. Jump. Is that how it is? That's it? Nice.
The revolution will not be televised. The revolution will be live.